Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got this Royal O model. Just gonna do something that I was asked if I do. I don't ever do on camera because it's noisy and dirty, and I don't usually do it on my bench under the camera, but we're gonna blow this machine out with air. See all this junk down in there? All that loose stuff should pop out of there. And then I did remove the lid here, so we have total access to this portion. It's not a lot of loose dirt in this machine. It's old dirt is what it is, it looks like. So it might not blow out very much because it's sticky as could be, it seems like. So let's take the ribbon off because it's gonna fly out of there if I don't. Anyhow, but this machine is way past due for service, but that's okay. We're gonna revive this as a family machine, so they're going to give it to their son or somebody down the family line. And I'm just going to zap some air in it. It's a pretty simple procedure. I use as powerful air as I can get because I can fix anything I blow off. Most of these stuff doesn't blow off on these machines, like springs and stuff. They're pretty on there. You could probably take these wings off right here, but I want to leave those on. I'm going to leave the case on, so blowout is pretty easy on this. Just get some compressed air and get it from the other side. Blow it out. All these bars. Get way down here, escapement area back. And then it's possible, this one, you can't really get through the segment down here. So much stuff. Other machines, I would take this and blow through the segment. Well, I'm going to do that first from the inside out and hopefully knock this stuff out of here instead of pushing it in. And now let's just do around the carriage at ends here and stuff. Morning. My air compressor is running out a little bit of air because I don't have it running because it's extremely loud. Yeah, just left a little bit of a mess on my bench over here. There's debris over here. But, you know, my bench is pretty dirty right now, so I'll clean this up at a later date. I think that's about it. There's not much else is coming out of here. Maybe get this felt piece down here. That's about it. Yeah, there's still a lot of dirt in there. A piece of the foot chipped off here. I put this one on here already because it was shattered. This one's starting to... It's not liking being handled. Have to be a little more careful with that, I guess. Alright, that's how you blow out basic blowout of a typewriter. Good day.